It's okay lah, wait and tear. You see here. This thing for this chip the one the chip the black one, this one. The chip is memory. Memory. So you see already burned, you see the side. After I show you the new one and old one. Okay? But you cannot see here lah. I let you compare, then you can see. For this fridge actually stop 1 hour plus minus is normal.
Yeah.
Like 1 hour plus minus is normal. Like over than 1 hour, that means wrong already. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours is wrong already. That means the motherboard control already problem.
Okay.
Already problem.
This is the motherboard.
This is the motherboard. Then you control the whole fridge.
So when you change the whole thing.
Change this whole thing.
Okay. And this is Hitachi one.
Yes, original.
Hitachi one.
Yes. I show you 100% same. Right? You see this one, new one and old one, you can see the difference. You see here already burning. The memory. The new one you can see.
This one is old one.
This one is old one, eh? You can see the new one.
Oh.
New one, you can see.
Okay.
You can see the difference.
Okay.
The new one, the color is so, you see, long time already wear and tear lah.
Yeah.
Quite normal lah, this thing.
Okay.